Today, I'm going to cook pan-seared salmon. Pan-seared salmon is super crispy on the outside, while tender and flaky on the inside. Prepare 8 cloves of garlic and slice it into small pieces. Then cut 2 lemons and squeeze lemon juice. Cut 1 big onion, leeks, bell pepper, and few pieces of green beans. Prepare 5 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, Now, we will dry our salmon fillet. And season it with salt, and pepper in both sides. Now our salmon fillet is ready to fry. In a grill pan, heat olive oil over high heat. Then sear salmon flesh on side down. Then cook until crispy and golden brown. Now flip and sear the other side until the outside skin is crispy. Add little olive oil to ensure our salmon fillet is not dry. Then also cook the other side. Look at that. The skin looks so crispy. Now our salmon fillet is almost cooked. We'll add the onions, and bell pepper. This will add flavor to our salmon fillet. Look at that. What a beautiful. It's perfectly cooked. Just also check our onion and bell pepper. It should be cooked like burnt color. Look at that. So perfectly cooked and shiny. Now we'll add the green beans. And leeks. We will use this to garnish. Add little olive oil and season it with pepper and salt. And now it's ready. Now we will prepare our lemon, garlic, and honey sauce. In a pan, add the lemon juice. Stir. Soy sauce. Garlic. And honey. Stir well. We will continue until our sauce will reach its consistency. Now our sauce is ready. Just like this, so simple. Salmon is tender and flaky. Then we'll finish with a silky, flavorful lemon, garlic, and honey sauce. And we'll add our toppings. You can choose what toppings you want to add to your salmon. Look at that. So flaky. And it's tender. And juicy also. And the skin so crispy. I can't wait to taste it. Promise guys, this is very tasty. I always cook this for my family. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Visit my channel for more videos. Thank you.